Hi dears, welcome to our new session.
Today we are going to start our new chapter, Sound.
We know ear is a sense organ. With the help of ears, we identify the musical sound and noise in our surroundings. How sound is produced? What are the situations and factors needed for the sensation of hearing? How the sensation of hearing is possible? Let's find out the answer to these questions in this chapter. That is, in this chapter, we will learn more about sounds. Do you see this picture? Have you ever thought how the mosquito makes sound while flying? Sound is a form of energy which is familiar to us and is used for communication. How is sound produced? How does it reach our ears? Why are all sounds not heard alike? Let's examine. Sound is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of hearing. If it is to be experienced, three components are essential. What are they? Yes, source of sound, medium, and ears. Let's see more about source of sound. You know, source of sound is that which sound is produced. Sources of sound may be man-made or natural. Chenda, violin, flute, and sounds of machines are man-made sources of sound. Lightning, waterfall, vocal cord, and wind are natural sources of sound. Let's try to do these activities. Tap the mouth of a glass or steel tumbler gently with a spoon. You will hear a sound. At the same time, gently touch the edge of the glass with your finger. What do you experience? Yes, we experience vibration in our fingers. Fill the tumbler with water and make the sound again by tapping with a spoon. What do you observe? Waves are produced. Why are waves produced on the surface of water? The waves are produced due to the vibration of water. Excite a tuning fork with a rubber hammer and listen to the sound produced by tuning fork. How is the sound produced? Yes, sound is produced due to the vibration of tuning fork. Immediately dip a prong of the tuning fork into the water in a vessel. What is your observation? Yes, waves produced on the water surface. From the above experiments, we can conclude that sound is produced by the vibration in a body. When the body stops vibrating, the sound produced by it ceases. This vibration can produce vibrations in the eardrum, which are perceived as sound by the ear. So, sound is produced by the vibration of objects. Objects that produce sound are known as sources of sound. The sound produced by a source of sound would be the sum total of the vibration of various parts related to the source. However, every sound source has a main vibrating part to produce sound. Try to complete this table. The source of sound, larynx. In it, the main vibrating part is vocal cords, and the connecting parts which are vibrating along with it are throat and lips. Next one, the source of sound is flute. We know the main vibrating part is air column. Along with it, the flute and the air vibrates with it. Next one, chenda. The main vibrating part, leather diaphragm. The frame made by wood and strings vibrate along with it. Last one, violin. The main vibrating part is string. The frame and the air surround this will also vibrate with it. Dear students, today we have just entered into our new chapter and studied what is sound, how it is produced, and the main vibrating part and the connecting vibrating parts associated in the hearing process. See you in the next class. Thank you.